In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate open captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll start by bringing your footage into the project and adding a captions track. If you don't already see the captions tools, open them from the window menu and choose captions and subtitles. This gives you the workspace you need to view and edit your captions alongside the timeline. Once your video is in place and your captions appear as a track, we're ready to prep them for animation. Next, convert your captions to open captions. Open captions are ideal because they let you style and animate text directly, giving you full control over color, font, and motion. After converting, the caption items behave more like regular graphics, which makes the next steps in the process smooth and flexible. Now, select the caption layer in your timeline. With it highlighted, head to the Effect Controls panel. This is the command center for your animation. You'll be working with three core properties: opacity, position, and scale. To animate anything, you'll use keyframes, which mark changes over time. Place your first keyframe at the start of the caption's appearance and your last keyframe at the end of its on-screen moment, so your motion begins and finishes cleanly. For a simple fade, use opacity, set a keyframe at the beginning with a lower value like 0, then move forward a few frames and set another keyframe at 100 to complete the fade in. Mirror that timing at the end for a fade out, creating a smooth entrance and exit that doesn't distract from the content. To slide your captions, animate the position property. Start with the text slightly off screen or offset from where it will rest. Set a keyframe there, then move forward in time and set a second keyframe at the final on-screen position. Horizontal slides feel natural for lower thirds, while a subtle vertical drift can add polish for titles. Keep text within safe margins so it's readable on all displays. For a pop or zoom effect, adjust scale. Begin a bit smaller or larger than 100%, then keyframe to 100 for a crisp settle. A small overshoot followed by a return can add energy if kept subtle. Finally, make everything smoother with ease in and ease out. Apply easing to your keyframes so motion starts and stops naturally rather than abruptly. If the move feels too snappy,